right, let's head to work. It's Saturday night, overtime. Hopefully we get 12 hours in tonight. Coming out of the campground here in Grafton. So I'm hoping we get at least 12 tonight and at least 8, or it'd be nice to get about 9 to 10 hours tomorrow. It's all double time tomorrow, and hopefully day shift can wrap it up Monday morning, and we'll be done. That way I can get that HE double hockey sticks out of here. Head back to Kansas. We're gonna get some good food. About sick and tired of eating. Oh, shut up, seatbelt warning thing. Sick and tired of eating frozen meals. Keeps you alive, but after a while you want some home cooked food. If I can make it to Watertown, South Dakota when I leave, I think if I leave that afternoon, whatever day it is, leave in the afternoon, make it to Watertown and spend the night again at the truck stop. They got a really good restaurant there. And I'm gonna get me some good food before I finish the journey out. Yeah, I know I don't have my seatbelt on, okay? Jeez. Yeah. Big city of Grafton, North Dakota. It is a little after 7 o'clock up here in the afternoon. Beep, 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 beep. Shut up. Thank you. Lord, Lordy. Let's get out on the highway. Head to work. There's a few places to work out here that it's not farm related. I don't know how good it shows up. There's John Deere tractor place, and this is Marvin. They make windows and stuff, custom windows. They're a big employer here in this little town of Grafton. So if you don't farm, you can go work there or work at the Chevrolet dealership. We're heading west out of Grafton, and there's a truck right there loaded with beets. Thank goodness we got ahead of them, so I don't need none of them dead blame things falling off and hitting the van. Piling site is right up here. Just hang in there. Bad thing about getting off in the mornings, man, you're facing the east. The sun's right in your face. Should be, I don't know. Yeah, tomorrow night won't be too busy because then again, you never know. Got a pretty sunset going on. That's one thing about North Dakota. Got some beautiful sunrise and sunsets up here. Hopefully get lucky and see the northern lights before we leave. They've been out, but it's always been too daggone cloudy to see anything. Alright, we're coming up on the pilot site. There's, if you can make it out in the dark, the light shining on it. It's just one of 2 piles of beets. One of many. Alright, so turn in here. Well, they're rolling. drive won't get done. Get the hell out of here. Sky 3. All right, well, I'm going to park and go clock in and get ready to start my shift.